So in this video, we are going to see about some standard multiple choice question from first year M1 BTech. The matrix quadratic form for this, the matrix of the quadratic form. So we have to find the corresponding matrix formation for this quadratic equation, quadratic representation. So first, here they are using three variables, x1, x2, x3. x1, x2, x3. Coefficient of this place, coefficient of x1 square, x2 into x2, coefficient of x2 square, x3 into x3, coefficient of x3 square. So here we have to substitute x1 square is 1, x2 square is 5, x3 square is 1. So x1 square is 1, coefficient of x2 square 5, coefficient of x3 square 1, and 2, x1 x2 coefficient 2, but x1 x2 contribute two places. This is the place for x1 x2 x1, and here also x2 x1. So we should divide the coefficient of x1 x2 divided by 2. When it divided by 2, it will become 1. So 1 and 1. x2 x3 coefficient 2. Again you have to divide this coefficient by 2. This is x2 x3 1, and here x2 x3 1, and x3 x1 coefficient 6. When you divide 6 divided by 2, it will become 3. So 113 151 311. This is the answer. This number of positive terms in the canonical form is called index. In the canonical form, number of positive terms in the canonical form is called the index. Next one, the homogeneous polynomial of second degree. Homogeneous polynomial of second degree in any number of variables is called quadratic form. Find the eigenvalues of A square. So here this matrix is upper triangular matrix. For upper triangular matrix, diagonal elements are the eigenvalues. 3, 2, 5 are the eigenvalues of A. So A eigenvalues. For A square, 3 square, 2 square, 5 square will be the eigenvalues. So 9, 4, 25. So these are the eigenvalues of A square. Find the sum and product of eigenvalues of A. So sum and product of eigenvalues, by the property of eigenvalues eigenvector, sum equals sum of eigenvalues equals sum of the main diagonal elements, 2 plus 2 plus 1, which is 5, and product of eigenvalues equals determinant value of A. So determinant value of this matrix is 2 into 2 minus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 0, 4 minus 1, 3. So this is product, and sum is summation of diagonal entries, 5, 3. Next one, the eigenvalues of orthogonal matrix have the absolute value 1. So orthogonal value, eigenvalues of orthogonal matrix has an absolute value 1. All the eigenvalues of symmetric matrix with real elements are real only. Find the nature of quadratic form. 2x square, 3y square, 2z square plus 2 times of xy. So coefficient of x square, y square, z square all are positive. So positive definite. Again write the quadratic form defined by the matrix. So here matrix to quadratic form, 6, 2, 1. Coefficient of x1 square, x2 square, x3 square, and x1, x2. This is the place for x1, x2, x3. Here x1, x2, x3. So x1, x2. Multiply this number with the 2. So 2 times of x1, x2. Next x2, x3. x2, x3 is 0. So 0. And this place is x1, x3. x1, x3 multiply this number with 2, minus 14. So this is the quadratic representation for the given matrix. Next one, find the eigenvalues of the matrix. As usual, we can find the eigenvalues by using the characteristic equation. So for 2 cross 2 characteristic equation is lambda square minus s1 lambda plus s2 equals 0. Lambda square s1 is summation of diagonal entries, 4 lambda, s2 is this determinant value, 4 minus 1, 3. So by using factorization concept, minus 1 minus 3. Lambda equals 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3 or 3 comma 1. So both are the same answer. The eigenvalues of a power 10. So this is like upper triangular matrix. Diagonal entries are eigenvalues. So here the eigenvalues are 1 comma 3 are eigenvalues of a. For a power 10 eigenvalues, you just raise the power. 1 power 3 power 10. So 1 3 power 10. If sum of two eigenvalues and trace of 3 cross 3 matrix are equal, find the determinant value. So what they are giving here is sum of two eigenvalues, lambda 1, lambda 2. If the sum of two eigenvalues and trace of 3 cross 3 matrix. So trace of 3 cross 3 matrix is lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3 equals trace. This is trace. Here they are giving sum of two eigenvalues and trace are same. So sum of two eigenvalues and trace are same means 0 only. So hence lambda, that is lambda 1 plus lambda 2. Lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3, which equals sum of any two eigenvalues, lambda 1 plus lambda 2. So lambda 1 plus lambda 2 get cancelled, lambda 3 value is 0. So now we have to find determinant A value. Determinant A value is nothing but product of eigenvalues, lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. Here lambda 3 is 0. So determinant value is 0. Next, characteristic equation. Characteristic equation for 3 cross 3 matrices, lambda cube S1 lambda square plus S2 lambda minus S3 equals 0. S1 is diagonal entries, 1 minus 1 minus 1, so minus 1. Value of S1 is equal to minus 1. S2 is minus of principal diagonal. What is S2? S2 is 1 minus 1, 4, 1 minus 1 plus, and minor of minus 1, 1, 3, 3 minus 1, 1, 3, 3 minus 1 plus minor of this minus 1, 1, 2, 2 minus 1. Now 1 minus 4 minus 3 minus 1 minus 9 minus 10 minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. So minus 18. This is our S2 value. S2 value is minus 18. And now determinant value. Determinant value for this matrix is 40. Substitute all the values. So this is our characteristic equation. Next one, find the nature of quadratic form. So after finding the eigenvalues for this, the eigenvalues are combination of both positive and negative, so indefinite. Again, eigenvalues. As usual, we have to find the eigenvalues for this 3 cross 3 matrix after finding the characteristic equation. The matrix of quadratic form, x square plus xy. Here they are using only two variables, x, y. This is x square position, x, y. This is x square position is 1. There is no y square here, 0. And x, y, coefficient of x, y to be shared with these two places. So half, half. So 1, half, half, 0. This is our answer. Next one, two eigenvalues of a matrix are 1 and 2. Find the third eigenvalue. It is very simple. So sum of eigenvalues equals lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3 equals trace of this matrix 2 comma 2 plus 2 plus 2. So lambda 1 value is 1, lambda 2 value is 2. We have to find the third eigenvalue only. Here 6. So lambda 3 is equal to 3. Next one, two eigenvalues of 3 cross 3 matrix A are 2 and 1. Determinant value, they are giving the determinant value as 12. Find the third eigenvalue. So here they are giving determinant value. How can we equate determinant value to our eigenvalues? Product of eigenvalues equals determinant A value. Here lambda 1, two values are 2 and 1. Lambda 1, let it be lambda 1 2, lambda 2 is 1, lambda 3 we have to find, and 12. So lambda 3 value is 12 divided by 2, 6. So this is our third eigenvalue. If A is orthogonal matrix, then A is orthogonal matrix, then A transpose is equal to A inverse. Two eigenvalues of A are equal and they are doubly third. So find them, 1, 2 and 2. So again inverse of eigenvalues. First we have to find the eigenvalue for this one and again take the inverse. And rank 3 minus 3 is the coefficient for canonical form. So 3 and 3, number of non-zero values 2. So rank is 2 and the index. So positive square term, value of positive square term. Here only one positive square term, so 1. Find the signature. 2 minus 1 minus 1. So number of positive square term minus number of negative square term. And next one, symmetric matrix. Eigenvectors corresponding to the distinct eigenvalues are real symmetric matrix or orthogonal. Again characteristic equation. So next unit, functions of several variables. For functions of several variables, just we have to differentiate this z with respect to x. So dou z by dou x is 2 times of x plus 2 times of x plus y square 0, 3y. 3y. So this is the answer. 2x plus 3y is our answer. So these are the basic concept only. Sine inverse of u is equal to sine inverse of x square plus y square x minus y is homogeneous function of degree. So degree, this is homogeneous function. Degree is 2 minus 1. Numerator degree is 2, denominator degree is 1. So degree is 1. And Euler's theorem, as per Euler's theorem, x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y, value of x dou u by dou x, y dou u by dou y is degree n into u. Here the degree is 2. Degree is 2. So 2 into u. This is the answer. If f of x comma y is e power xy, then find f triple y at 1 comma 1. So f is e power xy, fy. First differentiate with respect to y. E power xy and xy with respect to y. X. F double y. E power xy, xy with respect to y. X. Already we are having one x. Next. F triple y, e power xy, again x, x cube. Now substitute 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1. So e power 1 cube, just e. This is our answer. So again x dou z by dou x, y dou z by dou y is equal to n into u as per Euler's theorem, n into u. Here a degree is 2. So 2 into u, 2 log of, as per Euler's theorem, n into u. Here function is z, so z, n into z. Degree is 2. So 2 into z. But we have to make the differentiation because in this answer, so dou z by dou x. Log differentiation is 1 by x square, xy, y square, and after the differential with respect to x, 2x plus y. X dou z by dou x. First x square differentiation is 2x, x differentiation is 1, this is constant. When you multiply with x 2x plus y divided by x square plus xy plus y square. In the same way, y dou z by dou y, just replace x by y here, y 2y plus x divided by x square plus xy plus y square. Now adding these two terms, because we have to find x, we have to find x dou z by dou x, y dou z by dou y. Adding these two terms, 2x square plus xy, and here 2y square plus xy divided by x square plus xy plus y square. Now in numerator 2 is common. So when you are taking 2 is common, 2 times of x square plus xy plus y square, denominator also x square plus xy plus y square. Both are getting cancelled. So 2. Next one. For the implicit function, what is the value of dy by dx? This is a direct formula, minus dou f by dou x divided by dou f by dou y. So this one, question number 7, e power x cos y. F is e power x cos y. We have to find fxy. First, differentiate given expression with respect to y. When you are differentiating with respect to y, x is constant. Cos y differentiation is minus sin y. Next, fxy. Now differentiate this expression with respect to x. Minus e power x differentiation is e power x sin y. Now substitute 0, 0 here. So since sin 0 value is 0, the answer is 0. F of x is equal to cos x cos y. F of x y is equal to cos x cos y. What is the value of f double y of f double y at 0, 0? F double y at 0, 0. F is cos x cos y. Cos x cos y. First differentiate with respect to y. Cos x is constant. Cos y differentiation is minus sin y. Now f double y. Again we have to make the differentiation. Cos x sin y differentiation is cos y. Now substitute 0, 0 here. Cos x cos 0 is also 1. Cos when x is equal to 0, cos 0 1. Y is equal to 0, cos 0 1. So answer is minus 1. Next one, if f of x comma y is tan inverse of y divided by x, then fx at 1 comma 1, just make the first order derivative only. F equals tan inverse of y divided by x. Fx is tan inverse formula is 1 by 1 plus differentiation of tan inverse x. Tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So 1 by 1 plus y by x the whole square, and then differentiate y by x with respect to x minus y divided by x square. Now 1 divided by taking LCM, x square plus y square divided by x square into minus y by x square. This x square get cancelled. Now substitute 1 comma 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 2. So minus half is our answer. These are some of the important questions in these chapters.